Hello friends, so today in this tutorial I am going to review this book. This is nothing but just a set of sample papers, and in this book they are given 15 sample question papers, and the sample papers are of English core class 12th, right? And the question papers given in this book is strictly according to the exam of 2021, and it is as per the reduced syllabus for 2021, right? So all the questions given in this book are latest, means which can come in examination, right? And one personal advice from my side will be that if you solve this book, then you don't have to solve any other extra question. Means I mean to say that if you solve this book, then you don't have to solve any previous year questions or previous year papers, right? It is because the questions given in these books are mainly from previous year questions. It is my personal experience. I have solved many sample papers and I have solved previous year questions also. That is why I am telling this one to you. And the questions given in these books are very important type of questions. And this book is of Arihant publication. You can see here this book is of Arihant publication, and here it is written that as per latest CBSE sample papers and reduced syllabus. So moving further, so here you can see the price of this book. The price of this book is 240. Means you will buy this book from any retailer, then you will have to pay rupees 240. I have bought this book from Flipkart, and I have paid rupees 150, and there is a surprise for you. And if you want to buy this book from Flipkart, then I can help you buying this book without delivery charge. Means I have paid rupees 158 for this book, and I have not paid the delivery charges, and I can help you also to get this book without delivery charges, right? So moving further, the author of this book is uh, Srishti Agarwal, right? So this is useless. There is a data given about graded portions for CBSE exam 2021, and you all know about these things, right? And here this is the content of this book. Here it is written that stage 1, stage 2, stage 3. In this book there are overall 15 question papers, and in stage 1 there are 5 question papers, in stage 2 there are also 5 question papers, and in stage 3 also there are 5 question papers. Total 5 plus 5 plus 5 is equal to 15. There are 15 question papers. Okay, I am telling you the difference in these stages. In first stage there are 5 question papers, and after each questions, means in each sample paper, after each question you will get the answer of the corresponding questions, right? And in stage 2 you will get the answers of the questions after, not after the corresponding questions, but after the corresponding question papers. I will show you further. And in stage question paper given in this book is unsolved. We will find the answers of these question papers online, right? And here CBSE paper of 2021 All India and CBSE paper of 2020 Delhi is included in this book, and these papers are solved. Also latest CBSE sample paper which is issued by CBSE board for 2020-21 examination is also included in this book, and it is also solved. And there is something extra one day before, and I don't know about this, but I will show you what is this. Okay, here are some tips. You can see this, but I don't think this is so much important. Okay, this is the marks distribution. You can this is not a rare thing. You can get all these things on the website of CBSE board also. Okay, this is stage 1 sample question papers 1 to 5 question answers, right? So this is the first sample paper 1 English core, and here are the instructions given for solving these question papers. First essay is, means first reading comprehension is for 10 marks, right? You will have to read this passage and answer the questions. There are total 11 questions, among which you have to solve only 10 questions, and you will get 10 marks for solving all the 10 questions, right? So you can see this. And here, as I have told you, that you will find the answer of the questions just after the ending of the questions, right? So I am showing you that suppose these questions end here and the solutions are given here, right? Similarly for literature also, uh, where is this? Yes, you can see that here are the questions and here are the answers. right? Here are the questions and here are the answers. Answers to these questions. Similarly, here also, this is the question and this is the answer, right? This is the question and this is the answer. This is the question and this is the answer, right? You can see the answer just after the question only. There is nothing more to show you. This is the stage 2. Stage 2 sample question papers from 6 to 10. This is the sample paper. This is also a paper. These are the questions, right? And you will find the answer just after the completion of this paper. See, here are the answers given. Answer script is on the end of the questions. This question paper. In stage 3, the question papers are unsolved. This is stage 3, right? And this is the sample paper 11, unsolved. The answers of these questions you will find the answers of these questions on online platform, means on their website, right? See, by scanning this QR code you will find the answer, or you can visit their link. You can visit this link to get the answer of these questions. And the book is also very nice. You can buy this book, and according to me this book is really very awesome. And if you do this book, then you don't have to solve any previous questions. And this is all about